Inner awakening. Stunning health recoveries. 100% cure for depression, insomnia, asthma, fatigue, chronic pain, insecurity, panic attacks, and other major disorders. Awaken the Kundalini Shakti, the dormant energy within. What would you do if you had 1300% more energy? Disease-free mind and body is your first wealth. Claim it at Inner Awakening. Inner Awakening, a 21-day meditation retreat with rare living incarnation. Paramahamsa Nityananda, Nityananda Dhyanapita, Nityananda Nagar, Bidadi, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Contact
0802 727 9999.
Email ia@nityananda.org.
I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Today, we are going to start the 16th batch Nirahara Samyama, Level 1, first day. People can join till up to day after tomorrow. From today, we will start the registration. Today, tomorrow, the Samyama will happen. Day after tomorrow morning, after the satsang, we will break fast. And then after 24 hours break, we will start the Samyama again, second level. So till the second level first day, you can join and take part in Samyama. Please understand, I wanted to take few minutes to explain about this Nirahara Samyama, the importance of Nirahara Samyama. One of the biggest disorders human beings are facing is overfood and oversex. Overfood and oversex. I tell you, oversex does not create any big physical disorders, but the overfood, overeating, straight away destroys your health. I am not promoting oversex, I am very clear, please understand. All I am trying to tell you is, overeating is worse than oversex. Whole humanity is suffering with this one big problem, one big disorder about this overeating. Human beings are the only species suffers with overeating. Even if 10 deers are dead, lying, the flesh is available, a tiger will never think of overeating. A lion will never think of overeating. Even if the whole forest is available, an elephant will never think of overeating. But unfortunately, the human beings always suffer with overeating, and all of you need to know, more number of people die due to obesity than malnutrition. More number of people die on the planet Earth due to overeating than without food. I can say, just like famine, where the food scarcity happens, in the modern day, scarcity of the knowledge of right eating happens. Obesity is nothing but knowledge scarcity, knowledge famine. not knowing what you really need, not knowing why do you need to eat, experiencing vengeance and anger, then you try to take a revenge. You try to complete through eating. So overeating, as far as I am concerned, is psychological disorder which becomes physiological disorder also. Nirahara Samyama is the process of helping you to complete with all incompletions which you are trying to complete wrongly by eating. Please listen. Basically, the first 1 and 2 and 3 levels of Nirahara Samyama, I am not even trying to reduce the food supply to you. I am trying to complete all the incompletions you are trying to fill with food. Please understand, if you need 1000 calories to run a day, you are dumping 10,000 calories into your system. Not because you are tired, you are hungry, you need energy. Just because you are trying to complete some other incompletions by eating. So aim of Nirahara Samyama, in the first level Samyama, second level Samyama and third level Samyama, is not denying the energy supply to your body through food. I awaken your intelligence so that you can complete with all the incompletions you are carrying. You can complete with all the incompletions you are carrying. You can if you have incompletions about powerlessness, anger, agitation, complete them by going through a completion process, not by dumping food into you. Emptiness you experience in your heart cannot be fulfilled by the food. Food can only fulfill or fill empty stomach, not empty heart. It is unfortunate. You go on dumping food into your body to fill the empty heart, which is not possible and which is not right. Nirahara Samyama, first level, second level, third level is basically to teach you to eat only for your hunger, not for your anger. Feed your body only for hunger, not for your anger. Feed your body to become powerful, not out of powerlessness. आज से हम निराहार संयमा के अगले बैच को आरंभ कर रहे हैं। आप परसों तक इसमें भाग ले सकते हैं। अगर आपको इस निराहार संयमा में भाग लेना है तो हमें कॉल करके बताइएगा। कॉल करने का नंबर आपके टीवी स्क्रीन पे है। अंडरस्टैंड? In the Nirahara Samyama, I am initiating you and educating you and make you experience different mystical powers. One, first thing, by making you to do completion with all the food patterns and food related patterns. In Nirahara Samyama, first thing you need to do is do completion with food patterns and food related patterns. Due to this completion, you will start eating only for hunger, not out of anger or any other powerlessness. You eating due to any powerlessness leads to more and more suppression, leads to more and more suffering. Don't eat out of powerlessness. Don't eat out of anger. Don't eat out of suffering. Don't eat out of vengeance. Don't eat out of any incompletions. First thing I wanted you to learn about Nirahara Samyama is many of your incompletions related to food, food pattern, and patterns related to food makes you obese. Above all, a deep loss of self-respect happens to you when you become obese. Please understand. Obese people always lose respect for themselves. They lose confidence about themselves. So first thing I am trying to do is bring completion into all your food patterns, food habits, patterns related to food. In the next level of the Samyama, I try to awaken your innate intelligence to create energy directly. Innate intelligence to create energy directly from the cosmos. Understand? When the life is oozing in your body, when the life is happening in your body, life is so pure it can give life to anything. Listen, life is so pure it can give life to anything. It can awaken the intelligence of any biomemory. It can awaken the intelligence, knowledge, spiritual strength. निराहार संयम का क्या महत्व है? मनुष्य एक बहुत बड़ी अव्यवस्था का सामना कर रहा है और वो है अधिक खाने की अव्यवस्था। केवल मनुष्य ही खाने की अव्यवस्था से पीड़ित है और अधिक मनुष्य मोटापे से जान को देते हैं, ना कि खाने के अभाव से। मोटापा और कुछ नहीं बल्कि ज्ञान का अभाव है। एक बहुत बड़ी मनोवैज्ञानिक रोग है अधिक खाना। मनुष्य जीवन के किसी पहलू, किसी क्षेत्र जैसे धन का लोभ, शक्तिहीन का हिंसा का अनुभव, संबंधों में समस्या इत्यादि से भागने के लिए अधिक खाता है। इसीलिए अधिक खाना एक मनोवैज्ञानिक रोग है जो शारीरिक रोग बन जाता है। निराहार संयम आपकी सभी अपूर्णताओं को पूर्ण करने का सीधा समाधान है। निराहार संयम का उद्देश्य आपके शरीर को खाने द्वारा ऊर्जा से वंचित करना नहीं है, बल्कि आपकी अपूर्णताओं को पूर्ण करने का मार्ग है। यदि आप शक्तिहीनता, क्रोध, हिंसा जैसे अपूर्णताओं को पूर्ण करना चाहते हैं तो उनसे पूर्णत्व कीजिए। आपके शरीर में खाना डालने से आपकी अपूर्णता पूर्ण नहीं हो सकती. Understand? Just by completing with all your foot patterns, if you are brought up in poverty, or if you are brought up, if you carry the patterns like your brother or sisters have been given more preferences in the common sharings in the house, like sweets, fruits, all Indian middle class family will have this pattern. The upper class Indian families, they will have obesity because freely available. The middle class people will have the pattern of being deprived. And when they become rich, the first thing they do is eat, 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 eat. It is so unfortunate. It is so unfortunate. यदि आप अपूर्णता से भागने के लिए खाते हैं, आप और अधिक पीड़ा का अनुभव करेंगे. आपकी कई आहार से संबंधित अपूर्णताएं आपको मोटा बनाती है, आपको, और आप अपना स्वाभिमान को देते हैं. जीवन इतना शुद्ध है कि वो और किसी भी जीव में जीवन ज्ञान आध्यात्मिक शक्ति उत्पन्न कर सकता है. In every school, we should teach the science of completing with food patterns, being in completion with food habits, being completion with food related patterns. We can save humanity from obesity and obesity related diseases and obesity related deaths. Please understand, on the planet Earth, more people have died out of overeating than need of food. You may say, what is this, Swamiji? In famine periods, millions of people have died. I tell you, other than the famine periods, death, all deaths are related to overeating. All other deaths, whether you die out of heart disease, anything other than the famine period deaths, is due to overeating. Because there are recently the published articles in the Telegraph newspaper, obesity is killing 3 times as many as malnutrition. Please understand, obesity is now killing triple the number of people who die from malnutrition. Every year, 30 lakh people die out of obesity. 30 lakh, 3 million die out of obesity all over the world. Can you imagine? You can't stop overeating till you complete with all the incompletions, patterns related to food. I tell you, this completing with the food patterns and patterns related to food is 10 times more effective than any intestine surgery. And no cost, no side effect, most easy. This will be more effective, powerful than any intestine surgeries. Even in intestine surgeries, after some time, you start dumping, and you die in that incompletion with food patterns. You die with incompletions with food patterns. Listen. This is a very important thing you need to know. The starvation deaths are much less. Only 33% of obesity deaths. Continuously you have to complete with the food patterns and food related patterns. Complete with food patterns and food related patterns. That completion is enough. Will automatically you will be in a space, you will eat only what is required. You will be able to eat only what is required. Listen. You will only be able to eat what is required. This is the best weight loss technique, no side effect and permanent. Permanent and no side effects. Nirahara Samyama is a very powerful process to help you complete with all the food related patterns. So today, by initiating all of you into the first level of Nirahara Samyama, the first thing I wanted to tell you all, from today start completing with all the food related patterns and with all the food patterns and food related patterns. केवल जब आप आहार से संबंधित अपूर्णताओं से पूर्णत्व लाएंगे, तभी आप अधिक खाने के रोग से बाहर आ सकते हैं। लगातार आहार से पूर्णत्व कीजिए और आहार से संबंधित विचारधाराओं से पूर्णत्व कीजिए। आज से ही आहार से संबंधित विचारधाराओं से पूर्णत्व करना आरंभ कीजिए। So this first level, second level, third level Nirahara Samyama is mainly to reduce the overeating, unnecessary food being supplied into the body and becoming load on the body. When you complete the patterns related to food and food patterns, the unnecessary energy getting supplied, unnecessary load put on the body will be reduced. यही वासन कम करने का टेक्निक, यही वजन कम करने का टेक्निक है निराहार संयमा। निराहार संयमा is the powerful process to awaken your Kundalini energy also. So in the first, second, third level Nirahara Samyamas, you can drink liquids like buttermilk, milk, juices as much as you want. Just don't give the job of digestion, means grinding, chewing to your teeth, tongue and your stomach. This will make you recognize your food related patterns and food related engrams. This will make you recognize the food related root patterns. Please come to this Nirahara Samyama because it will bring health to you, it will bring completion in you, it will awaken the Kundalini energy in you. The Kundalini energy in your system will be awakened through this Nirahara Samyama. निराहार संयम आपकी कुंडलिनी शक्ति को जागृत करने की शक्तिशाली टेक्निक है। बस आपके दांतों को चबाने और पेट को पचाने का काम ना दीजिए। केवल द्रव पदार्थ लीजिए। केवल द्रव पदार्थ लीजिए जैसे कि छाछ, जूस इत्यादि। With this, I'll guide you all into the Nirahara Samyama. You can join till tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and even the next day. See, today, tomorrow, we will be doing the Samyama till day after tomorrow morning. Means first level Samyama is only 48 hours. You can drink lot of juices, milk and any liquid. The second level Nirahara Samyama, that will be 7 days. Third level will be 11 days. The Samyama instructions are same. Every day, continuously do completion. Morning and evening, especially before going to bed, all the food related patterns and food patterns. And never miss the satsang. Please come to satsang every day. And you have to attend the satsang and do the Nirahara Samyama Kriya. So, till 4th morning, till 4th August morning, you can join, enroll yourself for Nirahara Samyama, which is a free program. इस संयमा तभी सफल होगा जब आप लगातार हर दिन पूर्णत्व क्रिया करेंगे, अपने आहार से संबंधित मूल विचारधाराओं से, और हर दिन सवेरे के नित्य सत्संग में भाग लीजिए। आप आज, कल और परसों तक निराहार संयमा में भाग ले सकते हैं। आज रोज आहार से पूर्णत्व कीजिए, आहार से संबंधित अपूर्णताओं के साथ पूर्णत्व कीजिए, और हर रोज सत्संग में आइए और निराहार संयमा कीजिए। अब हम नित्य सत्संग के अगले भाग निराहार संयमा में प्रवेश करेंगे। सीधी तरह से बैठ जाइए और चेतना स्थिति के साथ कल्पना कीजिए कि आप बिड़दी वटवृक्ष बन गए हैं। इस कल्पना के साथ आप अपने दोनों नासिकाओं और मुंह के द्वारा सांस अंदर लीजिए। जितनी देर सांस को आप अपने अंदर बांध कर रख सकते हैं, उतनी देर आप अपने अंदर सांस को बांध कर रखिए। जब आप सांस को और बांध कर नहीं रख पा रहे हैं, तब आप अपने मुंह बंद रखे सांस को अपनी दोनों नासिकाओं द्वारा धीरे से छोड़ दीजिए। आप में अपनी पूरे संपूर्ति श्रद्धा, उत्तरदायित्व और लाभान्वित करने के 4 तत्वों के साथ आशीर्वाद देता हूँ कि आप सबकी कुंडलिनी शक्ति जागृत हो जाए और आप सब अपनी जीव ऊर्जा को सीधे आकाश और वायु से उत्पन्न करे। अब क्रिया आरंभ कीजिए और इस क्रिया को लगातार 21 मिनट तक कीजिए। I request all the Nirahara Samyama participants to sit straight. Close your eyes. Cognize you have become Bididi Kalpavriksha. With the same cognition, inhale through both the nostrils and the mouth as slowly as possible. Hold inside as long as possible. Exhale through both the nostrils and only through both the nostrils as slowly as possible. Continue this Kriya for next 21 minutes with my integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching. I bless you all. Let you all become Niraharis. Let you all experience Kundalini awakening. Let you all produce the energy directly from the space. Namah Shivaya.
Inner Awakening. Stunning health recoveries. 100% cure for depression, insomnia, asthma, fatigue, chronic pain, insecurity, panic attacks, and other major disorders. Awaken the Kundalini Shakti, the dormant energy within. What would you do if you had 1300% more energy? Disease-free mind and body is your first wealth. Claim it at Inner Awakening. Inner Awakening, a 21-day meditation retreat with rare living incarnation. Paramahamsa Nityananda, Nityananda Dhyanapita, Nityananda Nagar, Bididi, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Contact
0802 727 9999.
Email ia@nityananda.org.
Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.